Hello everyone, today we're going to go over E4, describe the atomic composition of molecules. So let's get started. So the first one here, you just need to count the number of atoms in this molecule. So as you can tell, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you just need to type in 8 for the first one here. For the second one, we see that there are a total of, they're asking for hydrogen, and there is only one. So you just need to type in 1 for that one there. For the next one, it's asking for a number of carbon atoms. Carbon atoms is represented by the darker gray balls, and you see 2 of them, so you're going to type in 2 right there. And now we're on to stage 2. So stage 2 is where things get a little bit more interesting. So the first thing we need to point out is that it's asking for the number of chlorine atoms in 2 molecules of CHCl3. So the first thing we need to notice is that there are 3 chlorine atoms, and it's asking you to figure out how many there are in 2 molecules. So what you need to do is that you basically need to tell yourself that there are 2 of these molecules, so CHCl3, CHCl3, there's 2 of them. And if we count these up together, you'll notice that there's a total of 3 chlorine atoms here and 3 chlorine atoms there, for a total of 6. So the fast way to do this is simply to take the number of atoms inside the molecule and multiply that by the number of molecules. And you'll get your answers quite quickly in terms of figuring out how many there are for each one. Cool. Right, so for the next one, it's asking about 3 molecules of NH3. At this time, guys, there's only 1 nitrogen here, 1 nitrogen atom, and there's 3 molecules, so therefore your answer would just be 3. 1 times 3 is 3. Right, so for the next one, it says 4 molecules of BF3, and it's asking you for the number of atoms of boron. Once again, it's just 1, so 1 times 4 will get you 4. And you're all set. Cool, so for the third stage, they're asking about 5 molecules of SiH4, and it's asking about silicon. Once again, there is no subscript to the right of Si, so it's implied that there's just 1. 1 times 5 will get you a total of 5. Alright, next one. So we got 4 molecules of pH3, and it's asking for the number of atoms of phosphorus. Once again, there's no number next to P or to the right of it, so there's only 1. 1 times 4 gets you 4. Alright. Next one, bromine, same thing. There's no number, there's no subscript to the right of bromine, Br. So in 2 molecules of CH3Br, there's only going to be 2 bromines. Alright, this one, it's both 1 for each hydrogen and iodine, and there's asking for 3 molecules, so 3 times 1 gets you 3. H2O2. So in this instance, guys, there are 2 oxygen atoms, and you have 2 molecules of it, so you're just going to get 2 times 2 is 4. And last but not least, H2S, it's asking about S. We lucked out. So there's 1 S multiplied by 4 molecules, so your total should be 4. And there you have it, guys. That's all you gotta do for E4. Hopefully that helps.